Hi guys, welcome back. This I'm going to be looking at today is the Tacray MT1 Multifunction Tool flashlight. I bought this a while ago. It came through yesterday. I've had a little look, but let me show you guys how it comes. It comes in this pretty simple packaging. That's their stuff there. And what have we got here? Thank you for using Tacray. And we have contact details on that QR code there. Cool. Okay, so first impressions, it comes with this really nice padded case and a decent quality. It says 420. Look at that, Tacray 420 steel. You've got your spring clip there. So it's quite a handy little carry case. What do we have inside? We have, oh, furry. Nice. We have a USB-C to USB-C charging cable, instructions. Oh, I didn't notice that when I had a quick look at it earlier. Okay, we have this little wrench, bottle opener, screwdriver thing. Cool. And inside, here it is, the MT1. Really minimalist. This is the, let's just double check, this is the base grey model that I bought. I've got this on sale. I think it was the, do you guys in the US call it Memorial Day? Or we call it Bank Holiday over here. I got it on there, I think it's 15 or 20% sale. Really nice, feels such good quality. And you got your, is that a chisel ground? It's completely flat on that side. Reverse tanto tip. I'm learning, guys. I'm learning about knife edges. It feels very sharp, actually. Shall we do a sharpness test? Wow. That is really, really sharp. That is extraordinarily sharp. Let's do a little bit of paracord whilst they're here. So yeah, no problem. Okay, so from the factory comes V-sharp, and this is a liner lock there. It's nice long, so you can sort of almost press it in. Yeah, and it feels, I believe, let me see if I can see with my blind eyes. Can't really see, but it feels like that's on bearings to me. Really nice. And it's magnetic as well. Don't know where the magnets are exactly. It just oozes quality. It feels like really good quality. On the other side, we got this unusual tool. So we got a pull cutter there, can opener, and looks like a screwdriver. What else have we got? That's pretty much it that I can see. There's probably 80,000 different tools, but that is what I can see on there. Again, it's got that really nice liner lock, really smooth action, and magnetically clips into. Where are the magnets on this? Let's have a little feel. Oh, that's not going to be magnetic because that's stainless, isn't it? Don't know, but it feels awesome. And obviously, the trick up its sleeve is the light. I think it's 2 clicks. Yeah, really bright. And you got the 3 modes. 1, 2, 3. Really, really bright. So I'll blind you guys. There you go. You're welcome. And then hold down. No, you don't. Sorry, you double click this one, and off it goes. It's got a, I don't know how you open those actually. Yeah, you got your USB-C rechargeable port there. Glass breaker. Ah, hang on a minute. Does this clip? Oh, I see. You can move the. Oh, let's have a go at this. I think this is what this wrench is for, actually. Yes, I'm undoing that now. Should we try and turn the clip round? See how easy or difficult that is. Come on. There we go. Okay, so it does have what looks like a bit of thread lock in that. Not much though, it wasn't difficult to get off. And then we can put this, I assume, on this side. And it's kind of, there we go. And then we can tighten it up. Quite like that little wrench. It's got so many fine teeth on it, it just grips in. I bet you could probably undo Leatherman type stuff with that. Okay, so we've got a clip on the other side. That is, God, that is a strong old clip. That's not gonna, you're not gonna be losing that. The clip's caused a little bit of damage where it's sat on that side there. That's no big deal. But yeah, so that's pretty much that in a nutshell. Very kindly though, I did say that I was going to review this, and when I bought it, they said they'll send me a something else to review. So let me show you that. Sorry if I've got the sniffles, I've got a bit of hay fever today. Poor me. So anyway, they sent me this with the package, which is the MP1 Titanium Multitool Pen. Let me just move these out of the way. So this is the MP1 Titanium Multitool Pen. I will show you what we get. I'll put links to these in my description so you guys can have a look. So this is titanium. This is the black version. Other colours available and other types of material. So we get this. We've got like a bolt action. It's kind of cool. You know, it's like bolt action. The pen clip is for that. And on the end here, I had a little go at this on my phone. This is a touchscreen thing, whatever you call it, a pointer dibber. And it's really good. It's made it really easy for me to use a phone with my big cumbersome fingers. It was quite nice to use this. But the idea is with this, you get this little pack. Let me just empty that out onto here so you can see what comes with it. Come on, get it out. So you get a spare dibber and one of these everlasting pencil things. Strange but quite useful. You've got a small Phillips and a small flat, and you've also got Torx. Well, does it say what that is on there? Really faint, I can't quite see. T8, T10, not sure. It'll probably tell you actually. Let's have a look at the box. Really need to get my eyes tested. There you go. T6, T8, does that say? Oops. Get that, and you also get a glass breaker and a quite a cool little package opener. So the idea of this is that you undo that, and then you can take out your bit and then drop your other bit in and tighten it down, and it's in there. I have noticed if you pull really hard, oh, well, it doesn't quite come out, but it wants to, but that's never going to fall out. So it's kind of cool. Yeah, really nice little pen. It writes quite nice as well. Let me just write something. Bolt action. Yeah, it's actually quite nice to write with. So yeah, that is the Tacray MP1 Titanium Multitool Pen. And they, like I say, they do different colours and materials. So check them out on their website. Like I say, I will leave links to these two on my on the description. So there you go. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.